I invite you now to join me in getting still and quiet, sitting upright wherever you are, whether you're in a chair, on the couch, on the bus, in the subway, wherever you are listening or watching. And just notice your body, how your body feels. As we relax the body, then the mind becomes calmer, and we become more receptive to our inner self. So let us consciously let go of tensions held in the body. Become aware of your feet, your calves, your thighs, and send the message, relax. Allow your abdomen and stomach to relax. Become aware of your hands and fingers and forearms and shoulders. And send the message, relax, let go. Relaxing the muscles in your back, the upper, the middle, the lower. Relaxing the muscles in your chest, sending the thought, relax and let go. Become aware of your neck. Relax your neck, the front, the back, the sides. And notice as you say relax and let go, and feel your muscles doing just that. Become aware of the muscles in your face, your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, your forehead, your nose. Relax and let go. Your scalp. Relax. And now scan your body and see if there's any place that needs to let go. Relax and let go. And now, let us turn our energy inward by becoming aware of the flow of your breathing. Feel the breath moving in and out of your nasal passages. And when your mind wanders, bring the mind back to the breathing. And now, add to the inflow of your breath the words, I am. And as you exhale the word, consciousness. I am on the inhalation, consciousness on the exhalation. Don't worry if you don't know what the word consciousness means. Someone might be asking, what does that mean? It's not that important. Just as your breath flows in, mentally think, I am. And as your breath flows out, consciousness. Or if you prefer a different word, use that. So let us focus now on the breathing and the affirmation. Again, when the mind wanders, bring it back to the breathing and the affirmation. And now take a nice, long, deep breath. Just rest in the quiet, in the stillness. And see if you feel anything or sense anything or see anything. Be present to that which is within you. And from this awareness of the presence expressing in and as you, from this awareness of your connection with Source, with being, let us include in this prayer time our friends and family members. See them healthy and strong and comforted and peaceful, confident. See them as they are in consciousness, and see them as they can be in expression. And we include in this time of prayer all those names that have been submitted to the Unity Center of New York City for prayer. We include each one. And we include every person on the planet. Every person. For in the infinite consciousness, we're all one. As Miguel Ruiz has written, there is only one living being. And each of us are different expressions of that. And we give thanks for this time together. We're grateful. Grateful for this spiritual community of like-minded souls to connect in this way with one another. To remember our unity, our oneness with Source and with each other. And to be an uplifting presence to others in our world. And to our earth, to the planet, to the animals, to all of life. And we bring our awareness now back to our body, wiggling toes, wiggling fingers, letting our eyes adjust to the lighting. And so it is. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.